In today's phonics lesson, we're learning the sound P. Are you ready? Let's begin. That letter is called P and it makes the sound P. Say it with me. P. P is for pig. P, p, pig. Can you hear the P sound in these words? P, party. P, pool. P, pancakes. Can you see something that begins with the P sound? That's right, a pirate. P, p, pirate.
At. At.
What word is the Blendasaurus trying to say?
At.
Let's help him. Blend the sounds together to make a word. P, at. P, at. P, at. Pat. That's right. He's trying to say pat. You were perfect. The next sound to learn is G, which you'll find in our next video. If you want to see more phonics videos, subscribe to our channel Phonics for Kids. See you next time.